everyone, my name is Ana Cerda Magaña, and today I will be teaching you about virtual calendars, but more specifically I will be teaching you about my favorite one, which is Google Calendar. Hopefully by the end of this presentation I'm able to teach you about what Google Calendar is and how you can access it, how this resource is also helpful in college as a student, and different ways to use Google Calendar. Google Calendar can be found online by visiting calendar.google.com, as well as using the app on your phone or even tablet. It is convenient since you can use it anywhere and at any time. With Google Calendar, you're able to create and edit events. You can also share these events with multiple people if you would like them to see it. To make it neater and easier to read, you can color coordinate your events. You can even add attachments to these said events. For example, say you have a meeting, and with that meeting you're going over a PowerPoint. You're able to schedule that meeting, add your coworkers, and also be able to attach the PowerPoint to the calendar. That way it's easier for everyone to access. With the app, you're also able to add reminders, and they would be sent through notifications. This works best if you have the app. Not to mention that if you want to start any personal goals, say for example you like reading, or maybe you would like to spend more family time, you're also able to schedule that as well. You would just click on goals and it would ask you what type of goal you're trying to achieve. It would ask you how often you would like it to occur per week, how long, best time of day, and it will also schedule you on days where your schedule has an open spot. You can edit this goal at any time. Use in college, although if you're a student who gets easily distracted through technology, a virtual calendar might not be your best option for you. However, there are many benefits through this specific calendar. The main reason why I chose this is that it helps with organization. College students tend to be very busy, especially if you have other expectations for yourselves. Say for example, you have to take care of your family, you have a job or a hobby, or any other activities that you do outside of school. For this reason, you can plan ahead by adding events into the calendar as reminders, and you're able to color coordinate. For example, I color coordinate my work schedule differently than I color coordinate my classes that I take through Hack. This way, I can easily see which days I can dedicate to studying and which days I have to go to work. If you commute to work or school like myself, you may also not always have Wi-Fi available to you. For this reason, through the app, you can add events anywhere at any time with or without Wi-Fi. This calendar is also very flexible, and you're able to edit events if you've had a change of plans or you want to add more events throughout your day. It also comes in handy as a college student, since we tend to take lots of notes and look through PowerPoints or presentations. If you want to schedule a study session for yourself or with your friends, through the app, you're able to add the notes to the specific task or event, and you're also able to add the attachment of any other PowerPoint or presentation that your professor has included for you. This app will be perfect for anyone that would like to work on their time management as well as their goal settings, since these are already topics that we've covered in class, and we have the resources to explore. With that being said, I thank you all for listening, and I hope that you're able to give this resource a go, since it has definitely become life-changing for me, and I'm also able to save so much time by managing my time better. Thank you so much.